Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your W-2 form online. First, you'll need to identify your employer's payroll provider, like ADP or Paychex. Then, locate their specific online portal. This is usually where your company manages employee pay and tax documents. Having this information ready will make the next steps much smoother for you. Once you're on the correct portal, you'll either create a new account or log in with existing credentials. Be prepared to verify your identity using personal details like your social security number or employee ID. After successful login, navigate to the section specifically for tax documents. This is where your Form W-2 will be stored. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic read. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now, select the specific tax year for the W-2 form you need. Most portals allow you to view and download it as a PDF file. Once downloaded, you can save it to your computer or print a physical copy. Remember to keep this document safe for your tax records or when filing your annual return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.